I'm super annoyed that I can't mark my emails as urgent in Gmail as I could in Outlook. In Outlook, just by a simple click of the urgent flag, the recipient will be able to see that it's an urgent email. Why doesn't Gmail have the same important feature? Well, it's time for a discussion on open standards on email, which is really exciting to me, but pretty bloody boring to the rest of the world. The importance on an email is a kind of semi-proprietary, to my knowledge, semi-proprietary feature that Microsoft created that not everybody else in the world implemented, meaning that it's not going to show up in every single one of your recipients when you mark an email as urgent as you do in Outlook. Particularly not going to show up as urgent when people receive it in a Gmail account, of which many people in the world use Gmail and many people in the world use Google Workspace, which is still Gmail. And therefore, it kind of killed setting the priority of emails. So unfortunately, just like some read receipts do work with some different mail clients, but retracting emails, which is another mail server-based proprietary feature, it does work on Macs if you've got a Mac mail server, but not if you've got a Gmail account, and it does work if you've got an Outlook account running Exchange, but it doesn't necessarily work on all Outlook consumer accounts. Some of these features just don't actually work across platforms. Calendar invites work across platforms because there is a .ics format file which gets attached to a calendar invite, and it's an open standard. But the priority attached to emails, and correct me if I'm wrong about this, I'm pretty sure I'm right about this, it is a Microsoft invented standard and not an open standard, and therefore Google decided not to implement it. I don't know, maybe they thought priorities were dumb. I don't think you're dumb. Maybe Google thought priorities were dumb, and so they chose for that not to be implemented, or for that not to be compatible with the Microsoft world. I've got no other answer for you, apart from if you want to mark something as priority, maybe put a few exclamation marks in the subject line, but be careful that you don't get flagged for spam, for excessive use of symbols and punctuation, because that's the kind of thing that Google's spam filters look for. And it's the kind of thing that when a prince from a foreign country is trying to betroth their family fortune to you, it's the kind of thing they do. They put lots of exclamation marks in the email, so Google says, this is more likely to be spam. I mean, if you use the word urgent, that's probably going to be your best bet. Unfortunately, I don't have a better answer for you.
If you liked this video, we've got plenty more on the channel covering this topic and much, much more.